central Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwest Arkansas, southeastern Pike County in southwest Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Hathaway, or 15 miles east of Murfreesboro, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations impacted include the Gray Lake, Lofton, Hathaway, the Gray Lake State Park, Sunshine, Shawmut, Point Cedar, Petty View, Marcus, Hempwallace, Droge, Caney, Bismarck, and 1, Alpine, Smyrna, Shellsport Recreation Area, Runyon Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Wednesday morning for Arkansas. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ-55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. The National Weather Service forecast for Central Arkansas.